I will say, when I started out, I was labeling myself as a dancehall artist, and people were telling me that I wasn't doing dancehall. So there are artists who want to be associated with the genre, but the people who love the genre tell that artist, nah, you're not quite that.
Oh, okay.
And it's not, I didn't take offense to it. I was like, all right, well, if I'm not that, I got to figure out what it is then. Like, so, but you have some artists who will get in their feelings, and they might jump ship and say, all right, y'all can have it. I'm going to go do this.
Right.
And that's usually what a disconnect is, I feel like as artists, we have to really kind of humble ourselves and realize that we're at the mercy of the consumer. If you want to create music for yourself, you can create music for yourself, but you have to also be very clear about your objective in this thing. Do you want commercial success, or do you want a creative outlet?
Right.
If you want a creative outlet, make your music for yourself. But if you want commercial success, you have to listen to the people who are consuming the product.